How to make some passive income with Tarot on Optimism using Velodrome Excel, all that good stuff. We're going over this one, T-A-R-O-T, passive income, be the bank, lend your coins, free coins that you get from bribings, and all that good stuff on Velodrome. My name is Zip, Finance After 40. Let's get to it. So, before we start, what is Tarot? They came from Phantom. They're now migrated to Optimism. Basically, you got a couple of options, but I'm just gonna focus on the lending. So all your coins you can lend and make even more money. How do you get your coins? Before we go into that, you go here first of all, Tarot, that's the website. Price today 0.07 cents. Let's call it. Look how stupid the market cap is, $2.7 million. Now what I and other people have done in the last couple of weeks, instead of just buying, I don't know, let's say $1,000 worth of Tarot is $15,000. 15,000 Tarot is $1,000, okay? Just for the example, instead of buying it and then putting it and lending and make crazy amount of passive income extra, you go here. I assume you already watched my videos about Velodrome and bribes and which pool to pick, but if you haven't, you go here, okay? All the links below, of course. GMX 10% fee, join my newsletter, whale wallets, all that good stuff. So if we go, let's move my face, let's say to here. If we go to week, this is now week 13. This is where we are. Let's start with week 10. So you understand what happened before we go to week 13. Week 10, 3-4 weeks ago, I'm searching for Tarot, and they're not here. So they just started. They just started in week 11 probably, right here. Week 11, and this is the new one. You see, Tarot USDC. If you voted for this pool 3 weeks ago, okay, you got a share of your Velodrome. Let's say you have 10,000, 100,000 Velo, 1 million, whatever that you have, you get your share from bribe number 1, which is 1,300 Optimism coins, which is great, but you also get a share of 52,000 Tarot coins at the price of 0.010. Now it's 0.07. For a total bribes of $7,400, and let's say the voters were 5 million. Okay, let's do rough math. 5 million voters, and let's say you got, I don't know, 500,000. Just for the example, you get 10% of the pool. How much is 10% of the pool? 130 OP, 130 OP, which is about, I don't know, $150. But you also get 5,000 Tarot, which according to today's price, let's say you got 5,000 Tarot, as we mentioned before, you got $350. But if you didn't convert it to whatever coin, cash out, or even stables, you move to week number 12, okay? The week after that, they've done the same probably. Here we go. Now they move to second place. Tarot USDC, now they added to 1,700 Optimism and another 51,000. Okay, it was 52, now it's 51. It's fine. Let's call it 50,000 Tarot every single week for a total bribe of $6,375. This was last week, and let's say 6.6 million people voted. So let's assume you have, I don't know, 600,000, just to round it up. Even half of that, 300,000, 330,000, you get 5% of the pool. 5% of the pool gets you, let's say 17, that's about 85 OP, $120 cash, not cash, OP coins. And you also get 5% from this, which is 2,500, which is not bad. So let's say you got now 2,500, another 170, you already have $500 free just by voting for your Velodrome for Tarot USDC pool. And if you go to this week that ends in Wednesday, at midnight UTC. Let's see, Tarot is now number 1 so far. It's number 1. We still have all those bribes to be, which is nice. But right now you got almost that. Look at this, 3,300 optimism. They're really aggressive and they want you to vote for them. Plus another 50,000 Tarot, okay? And a lot of less votes than last week. So now we got 5.5 million. Of course, it will change by the deadline. That means, let's call it 10%. You have 500,000 Velo. Okay, and you get 10% of the pool, 330 optimism, that's like 450 bucks, and another 5,000 Tarot, which is another, as we said before, another 350, okay, give or take. And just like that, you build and build and build. And once you have Tarot, assuming it will not ragas or go to zero, instead of selling or converting to stable, converting to OP, cash out or something like that, you can just hold it in your wallet, or you actually go to Tarot. And I'm not focusing on the LP. Sure, you can be a degen and do LP, leverage trading, all that stuff. I'm not talking about it now. I'm just talking here. Let's see by the pool. Velodrome, Tarot USD. Okay, this is the pool. That's the first one on the left, just for the example. Or let's say filter by pool. Let's search Tarot. Okay, there's only one pool. Okay, this is the pool. 360,000 already deposit in this pool. Total supply, You can supply your USDC if you want for 4.4%. Not really attractive, but you can also supply the Tarot that you get every week for another 42.61% APR, which is pretty awesome. You can borrow against that if you want, and you can put, if you are LPing, you can leverage trade, but for the LP, I don't know, I've never done that. I'm not risking that. Let's click here just for the example so you understand what's going on. And supply APR 42%. How do you do that? Instead of borrowing, okay, you can borrow LPs and all that stuff. You just click on lend, okay? You click on lend. Let's say you got some Tarot in your wallet. You put your Tarot in your wallet. You click supply. That's it. And you let the money roll, as they say in other financial advice. It can all go to zero. Okay, and if it goes down, let's say from 42 to, I don't know, below 10%, withdraw and then move to the next pool that has more. You can convert everything using Velodrome, which is super cheap. It's on Optimism. If you wanna go and get the highest yield, for example, see what we got. You can also supply your Velodrome. Same concept. If you got a lot of Velodrome, 140% to lend your Velodrome, which is nice. Ethereum, you can get 13% on your Ethereum. Pretty awesome stuff. How much is in this pool? 600,000. That's not bad. It's not bad. You can, okay, that's pretty good. You can supply your Ethereum and get 13.57. Try getting this with Lido or whatever, Rocket Pool, all that stuff. What else we got? Optimism, not a big deal here. Optimism in here, 12%. You can also supply L2DAO. L2DAO, same concept, 300%. But the pool is not that big, 38,000. So I don't know. See something else. I would just focus on the ones that have liquidity. So either 42% here or 140% in here. Or if you want to do some Ethereum right here, as I said, you click. You, instead of borrow, you click lend and you see the money roll. If this was valuable, my name is Ziv. All the links will be in the description below, and I will see you guys next time. Bye bye.